Do you remember what Wilson always said? One man can make a difference.
Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Project KITT video update. I had intended to do this video unboxing last week when I got this package, but it just didn't happen. So we're going to do it now. Now you're probably all wondering why I'm wearing these bitchin' shades. Well, there's actually two reasons for it. One, they're 8-bit, so they're totally awesome. And two, they're my deal with it sunglasses. Let's face it, guys, life can throw some unexpected crap at us, and we got to deal with it. You got to roll with the punches or you're going to get steamrolled. And I can't think of anyone that does this better than my friend Billy at K.I.T.T Designs. Way to lead by example, Billy. This video's for you. Now let's get this thing open. Now this order goes back, it's got a history. It goes back a couple of years. It's from Billy at K.I.T.T Designs, and we've been talking about doing a rear bumper. And this order had the condition that Billy was to do it on his time. I wasn't in a big hurry for it, so I wanted him to work on it as he had time, and boy did he deliver. So let's get this thing open. Okay. As always, Billy packs everything very, very well. Peanuts, anyone? Well, let's face it, there's no way I'm going to get this out without making a mess, so. Alright, so this is Billy's rear bumper mold. Or, I shouldn't say rear bumper mold. This is from Billy's new rear bumper mold. Let's see if I can get that a little closer. See if this shows up on camera. It doesn't have, it's very rigid, very solid, does not have any of the mounting tabs that were on the original vinyl bumper. I won't need them. Just bolts up on the side. It's got the license plate mounting spot and the cutouts for the lights. Very nice. You can see everything is very well packaged. Billy, you might need to think about including some instructions on how to get into this stuff. Looks like it's coming open. What's an unboxing without the packaging, huh? So, what do we have inside all this bubble wrap? We have more bubble wrap. Well, Billy really has to be commended, though. There's very few things that I've ordered that have been as well packed as the stuff that comes from Night Designs. I don't think I said this, but this was a birthday present this year for me, as well as a early Christmas. And it's like opening a Christmas present. And inside the bubble wrap, we have it wrapped with cloth. And tied, zip tied. This really is impressive. I'm actually going to grab something to clip this. Side cutter. This is beautiful. This is a third season upper console. Painted and ready to install. I will be doing a separate video where I light these all up so we can see what they look like. But this will sit like this in the car. So as you're sitting in the car, you can see it like this. It goes up between the T-tops. There's some extra packing material here. Try to cut this off, but I don't want to risk scratching the paint. This really is as difficult as it looks. Maybe I will try scissors. Just be very careful here. This one smells freshly painted. Also wrapped in cloth. And this is a third season lower console. Completely wired up, ready to go. It does have the window rockers in the exact place that they were on the car used in the show, the hero car, so that they could control the windows without being seen. It allowed for all the electronics to be where the window switches normally would be. And I will do a follow-up video on this showing these all lit up and working. Awesome. One more here. Right, and these are the top pieces for, let's see if we can get these turned the right way, top pieces for the top of the upper console. It would face the top of the T-tops to cover up that upper console so you don't see down into it. This is something that Billy offers that I haven't really seen offered by any other vendor, but it really adds a nice finishing top to the T-tops when you have them out. Bring that up close here. So it would be on the upper console, they will sit like this to help cover, and actually I think I have them backwards, I think this one's this side. But they will cover up from the top so that you don't see that lip for the upper console. That is everything other than a ton of peanuts. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like these unboxing videos, you want to see me do more of them, please hit that thumbs up button down in the corner. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed and want to get notified every time we do one of these videos, make sure to click that bell down at the bottom. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time.
No one ever suggested that what we do is easy. Nothing worthwhile ever is.
Everyone likes bonuses, right? Well, here's a bonus unboxing. I ordered this back in July. It's a flywheel cover that would bolt underneath the engine. That mine was missing on the Trans Am originally, and I've been in search of one, but I was searching under the wrong name. I was searching for a bell housing, and that's not actually what it's referred to as. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Joe Booth actually had this on a car that was being parted out. And I was just lucky enough to catch it. Why this has sat in my garage since July and I haven't unboxed it, I don't have an answer for that. I guess life got in the way. Alright, and this is it. Right now, that area is all exposed underneath the engine, so this would cover all of that up. Great. That's what I needed, Joe. Thanks.